All right, RecTeq owners, this one is for you. If you own a 700 or a 680, the Pimp My Grill Gen 2 Rack System has changed the game. Let our smooth slide technology bring the food to you. This allows for easy access to those hard to reach items, and it also keeps the smoke out of your eyes. Now we know you don't want to drill any holes in your grill, which is why we've made our rack systems 100% non-invasive. All you're gonna do is adjust the set bolts and snap the brackets into place. It's that easy. The racks set into tracks at the rear of the brackets, and they have stops so you can't slide them out too far and dump your food. The heavy-duty expanded steel grating is actually embedded inside the frame. This completely eliminates any sharp edges and allows your racks to be reversible. Now, when you do want to remove them for cooking tall items or accessing the fire pot, just slide them all the way in and lift straight up. They come right out. Nearly double your cooking capacity with the most innovative racks on the market. Pimp My Grill rack systems elevate your food up into the smoke where the convection takes place. This is going to enhance your flavor profiles and create a more even and consistent cook. Thank you for checking out the Pimp My Grill patent pending Gen 2 rack system for the RecTeq 700 and 680. If you're interested in this product and many more upgrades for your pellet grills, visit pimpmygrill.com or visit your local pellet grill dealer. Please like and subscribe to this video for more upgrades for your pellet grills, and we'll see you next time.